हाय फ्रेंड्स, मिंगलावा, नमस्कार. I am Satyendra Kumar Garg, the author who penned down the work My Destination. Pen down the work My Destination. It gives me immense pleasure to bring to you a project that I have been working on since 2014, My Destination. My dream of writing My Destination is to be a torch bearer, a guide, a philosopher, to show the right path to the younger generations. Having writing as a hobby, like many others, I have always thought, काश मेरी भी कभी कोई बुक पब्लिश हो. So here it is, an experience shared with all you people, an experience to cherish, an experience to live with. I would request you all to please definitely grab and read the book. But before you do that, I would like to briefly provide you a few insights as to what to expect from this set of leaves. I would like to express that the destinations referred in the book are not only mine, but basically every human being has been through or may be going through a similar situation anywhere in a lifetime. It's not about the dreams but more about ambitions, the things that we focus on, the things that we can actually achieve. The destination which may lead us to nirvana, the destination away from all sorts of corruption, the selfless destination, the destination in the real and true sense, away from the hypocrisy of the being. Symbolizing life as a train which the people board at certain stations and may disembark at their respective symbolic destinations. A journey having a mix of emotions and feels: joy, misery, enthusiasm, expectations, and all the worldly courses. How all of us look forward to maximum comfort with minimum effort. How we are alone in the hush hush of life, surrounded by all kinds of beings, yet alone. How the social media has made us social online, but so unsocial while we sit for the evening family dinner over the dining table. How we are losing on the tracks set out by the grey haired. How sometime life becomes as twisted as a jalebi, and how we can come out of it based on our deeds, our karmas, our positivity, our thoughts. Truth is bitter, but it takes us to destination. But at the same time, the bitterness in thoughts may be a poison for life. My destination gives many more. Just turn the pages. With minimum efforts. Dear friend, I would like to thank to Rigi Publication who publish my destination. It can be easily purchased from any reputed online shops like Amazon, Snapdeal, Copy Kitab, Make My Book, Shop Clues, and from the publication. Thanks, धन्यवाद, जय झूलेलाल.